Another quirky example of a conditional formatting is a dynamic conditional formatting. Just observe what's going on here. I'm going to click on a value like negative 120,000. Now, as soon as I do that, any other value that's less than this number is going to get highlighted, right? Similarly, I'm going to go and select, let's say, negative 65, and then all values that are less than this particular cell is going to get highlighted. If I choose negative 0.2, it's going to select all values that are less than this particular number. If I choose, let's say, 283, then pretty much I think is the second largest value, so everything else gets highlighted. And the way you do this is you go to the rules. Under these conditions, you have something called less than, so where the margin is less than, and there are certain options here, right? So I can directly go and say that if margin is less than 0, then if I click on number, I need to go and manually type in 0 here. If I click on data selection, I can go and select a particular cell, right? And whatever value is there in that report on that particular day, it will dynamically fetch the value from that particular cell and apply this conditional formatting rule. And this rule basically says that give it a gold background color, right? And then I can also use something called a user selection, right? And when I do a user selection, what it basically means is that whatever margin value selected by that user during runtime, you use that particular value, right? And ideally, I should give less than. If I give less than or equal to, even the cell that I'm selecting is going to get colored or highlighted.